Welcome to Metro Manila, ang sentro ng commerce, trabaho, at syempre, pagkain. Dito sa lungsod na hindi natutulog, iba-iba ang dahilan kung bakit bumabangon ang mga tao para magtrabaho, maghanap ng swerte, at syempre, para kumain. At dahil breakfast is life, ngayong episode na to, maglalakwatsa tayo para hanapin ang best at most loved breakfast food spots sa Metro Manila. Mga ka-take off, welcome to another episode ng inyong paboritong travel and food vlog. Today, tara kain tayo. Let's explore some of the best breakfast spots in Metro Manila. Mula sa tipid meals hanggang sa bonggang breakfast buffet. Kung gutom ka, kapit lang dahil tiyak maglalaway ka sa episode na ito. Let's go! Isa ka rin bang member ng The Breakfast Club kung saan sobrang hiling mo kumain ng mga breakfast meals all day all around within each day? Tara, samahan nyo ako for this episode. Liliputin natin ang Metro Manila at titigman natin ang mga iba't ibang restaurants na nag-o-offer ng all-day breakfast. Unang stop natin, hindi lang pang estudyante, kundi pang working class din na nagtitipid pero gusto pa rin ng sulit at masarap. Ladies and gentlemen, ang OG dumpling spot, Pouchin. At grabe naman talaga. Same old taste, same old love. Noong college days ko sa Pedro Hill, ito talaga ang lifesaver ko bago umuwi. Noon, 50 pesos lang to ngayon nasa 85 na. Pero sulit pa rin, mapa Hainanese or lemak rice pa yan. Comment your favorite below kung team Hainanese kayo or team lemak ba. At syempre, di lang dumpling and rice ang kanilang ino-offer. Meron din silang Asian chicken, chipaw, laksa at marami pang iba. At para sa pampalamig, may buko juice sila na nagsisimula sa around 20 pesos lang. Kaya swak sa budget. Naalala ko pa noong college ako, ito talaga yung go-to brunch ko since usually ang klase ko nag-start pa sa hapon at laging maaga na nakakarating ako sa school. Kaya naman ito yung budget-friendly food na nabibili ko. Sulit na, masarap pa. Siopaw? Check. Rice? Check. Pero paano kung gusto mong i-level up? Di, joke na tayo. Established in 1986, ang kanilang siopaw at fried rice combo, the best talaga. Legit na Chinese restaurant. At syempre, hindi pwedeng walang tapsilog. Breakfast classic na pasok sa budget at panlasang Pinoy. Solid sa lasa. So, kain tayo guys. Medyo nagtaas na sila ng price since nung last na order ko. Pero pwede pa rin. Umabot lang yung order ko ng 155 pesos. Meron ng tapsilog at siopaw. 'Di ba? Try nyo rin. Next stop, Italianis. From tipidity to medyo nakaluwag-luwag na sa buhay levels. Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Italianis para subukan ang kanilang breakfast offers. Tahimik at cozy ang vibes dito sa Italianis sa may Pedro Hill. Perfect spot kung gusto mo ng relax at chill na umaga habang nag-e-enjoy ng breakfast. So, hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'm Mio and you are watching Teka Philippines. So, right now, ang first stop natin ay Italianes. So, ang price niya is ranges to 200 and up. So, hindi bababa sa 200 plus yung mga ino-offer nila. Pero, we'll check if it's worth the money. Kasi since mahal siya, somehow, for me, so, kaya ito try natin. Ang in-order namin earlier is Spanish sardines, sisig with rice, and also eggs Benedict. So, yun. Let's try later on. For the serving time, siguro mga around 10 to 20 minutes. Kanina pa ako umorder pero ayan, still cooking pa rin sila. Pero nagbigay naman sila ng complimentary bread. Ayan, complimentary bread na you could try also. So, ayun lang. Okay guys, let's try their complimentary bread. Ayan. Bagong luto. So, sasasawang natin siya dito sa parang olive oil plus balsamic vinegar. Mm. Interesting. Parehas masarap ah. Masarap yung bread. So guys, dumating na yung order natin. Nandito yung Eggs Benedict. Ayan. Eggs Benedict yan. Medyo malaki siya. And this is the sardines. Medyo yung proportion ng ng plate hindi ganong kalakihan. Saktuhan lang. So yun, let's eat. Hinantay lang namin yung pork sisig. Okay. Ayun na, sila serve na. Guys, kain tayo. Okay, we're gonna try. Oh, nag-ooze pa siya. Hmm. Sarap. By the way guys, dahil sarapan kami sa complimentary bread nila, nakingi uli ako. Mabait naman si ate girl, namigay naman ulit. So right now naman guys, try na natin ang Spanish sardines. So we're going to use fork and spoon na. Kasi may rice na kasama. Meron siyang mga onions na malalaki, red onions. Hindi ko lang kung medyo maasim yung onions.
Pickled?
Pickled onions. If you are looking to the price, medyo pricey talaga siya. Lalo na yung Spanish sardine sa sisig meal. Umabot nga kami ng total bill ng 1,300 dahil na rin sa service charge. Pero overall experience, sulit naman kahit paano dahil may complimentary bread. And then, sobrang busog din naman. Kung trip mo mag-breakfast sa medyo upscale, Italianis could be an option. IKEA, kilala natin for stylish and affordable home furnishings. Pero alam mo bang isa rin sila sa go-to spots for international food cravings? Kung gusto mo ng affordable yet world-class breakfast, IKEA has a variety of meals na siguradong pasok sa panlasa mo. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang signature Swedish meatballs, juicy, flavorful, at perfect sa creamy gravy at mashed potatoes. With prices starting at 200 to 400 pesos. Sulit na lalo na kung gusto mo ng premium breakfast experience. From home furnishings to food worth waking up for, IKEA proves it. It has more than just furniture, may pangmalakasang breakfast din. Anong favorite IKEA meal mo? Comment down below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And before we proceed to our final restaurant for this episode, here's a quick look of honorary mention for best breakfast in town.
At kung wala kang kabusugan at hanap mo breakfast na parang handaan, overflowing na ulam, walang katapusang refill at world-class ang lasa, then this next stop is for you. Usually, most hotels offer breakfast buffets, pero ang tunay na laban nasa lasa at dami ng options. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako sa Medley Buffet here at Okada, Manila. Medley Buffet offers a savor wide array of culinary wonders, from local favorites to international staples until fresh seafood na parang feast by the bay. And syempre, hindi pwedeng palampasin ang dessert section, which is ang sweet endings na sulit. Kung gusto mo naman ng privacy, they now have 3 private dining rooms for a more intimate breakfast experience. Perfect for special occasions or VIP vibes. Breakfast here starts at around 1,888 pesos. Medyo pricey siya pero sulit kung paminsan-minsan gusto mo nang mag-feast like royalty. Check more details and book your seat at their website. Medley Buffet at Okada, definitely one for the books sa ating list of Manila's favorite breakfast food spots.